Another aspect related to safety is tempering. The tempering process is simply that after the glass is edged and cleaned, it is heated in a tempering furnace. The heating time and temperature are determined by the size and thickness of the glass and the load in the tempering furnace. Heating to a point close to softening and then cooling down rapidly will produce compressive stress on the surface of the tempered glass and tensile stress internally. When the two forces are balanced, the impact resistance of the glass will increase by 3 to 5 times. The reason why tempered glass will self-explode is because there are external factors that break the balance of the two forces. For example, small impurities in the middle of the glass expand after being exposed to the sun, or sharp objects strike. This is the principle of the window breaker used in the car. Sharp objects breaks the compressive stress on the glass surface, so the glass explodes. However, self-explosion is controllable. In the field of deep processing, there is a process called homogenization, which is an effective way to solve the problem of explosive production. The tempered and cooled tempered glass is reheated to about 270 degrees in the homogenizing furnace. The specific heating time and temperature are also determined based on the size, thickness, and loading capacity of the glass in the homogenizing furnace. After a certain period of heat preservation, the temperature is slowly lowering and allows the nickel sulfide particles in the tempered glass to complete the crystal orientation transformation during the homogenization process, so that the glass that may self-explode is broken in advance at the factory, which can effectively reduce the self-explosion rate of the tempered glass after leaving the factory, and it is significantly reduced. To put it bluntly, the solution is to reheat the impurities in the glass disc. During the heating process, the impurities will expand, and the expansion will cause the tempered glass to self-explode. Therefore, what needs to be tested during homogenization is the quality of the original glass, not the quality of the tempered glass. The higher the quality of the original glass, the fewer impurities, and the less the breakage loss during the homogenization process. Unfortunately, at present, there are relatively few glass deep processing plants that perform homogeneous processing in the home decoration door and window market. This process will increase costs and reduce production efficiency because it requires several hours of heating. The energy consumption, time, and exploded glass in the entire production process need to be reproduced before continuing heating. These are costs. Therefore, the price of glass with homogenization treatment will be more expensive, but the result of this step cannot be distinguished through the surface of the glass. The merchant or factory can only provide a homogenization report or some kind of warranty commitment, which reduces the manufacturing cost of safety glass. Frankly speaking, homogenization is a very important step.